This video will be the even problems on notes 417 and 418. So just a reminder of our steps. When you have two ordered pairs, the first thing you need to do is calculate your slope using our slope formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Once you have your slope, you pick one of your ordered pairs, plug in the x, y, and the m, the slope you calculated in step 1, into y equals mx plus b. You then solve for b and then write your final answer, y equals mx plus b, with your m and your b. So number 2, you start with the slope formula, -4 minus -7 over 3 minus -6. That would give us +3 over 9, which is 1/3. Then pick an ordered pair. So I would pick the second ordered pair. Your y is -4 equals, we just calculated our m as 1/3, times the x, which is 3, plus b. Then we solve for b. So the way we solve for b is we do our multiplication. That would give us +1, so -4 equals 1 plus b. Then I need to subtract 1 to get b by itself. So b is -5. So now I write my equation with my b and my m. So y equals m, which is 1/3 x, plus b. So since it's a negative, we just write -5. And there's your answer. If you ever want to check to see if you're correct, you would graph y equals 1/3 x minus 5 and make sure it actually does go through both of those ordered pairs. Number 4, starting with our slope, 5 minus 6 over 2 minus 1. Y minus y over x minus x. That gives me -1 over +1, which is just -1. So I'm going to pick this one. 6 equals -1 times 1 plus b. So 6 equals -1 plus b. And I need to add 1 to get b by itself. B is equal to 7. So your final answer is y equals -1x, so you can just put a -x plus 7. At any time, you can pause and then come back and check your answers. Number 6, m equals 7 minus -8 over 2 minus -3. That would give us 15 over 5, which is 3. I would pick 2, 7, since they're both positive. 7 equals 3 times 2 plus b. Multiply, 7 equals 6 plus b. Subtract 6 to get b by itself. B equals 1. So your final answer is y equals m, which is 3, x, plus b, which is 1. Number 8, m equals -1 minus -3 over -4 minus -6. It gives me +2 over +2, which is just 1. So I would use 4, -1. -1 equals 1 times -4 plus b. So -1 equals -4 plus b. Add 4 to both sides. B is equal to 3. So y equals 1x, so just x plus 3. Number 10, m equals -9 minus 1 over -1 minus 1. So that would give me -10 over -2, which is positive 5. I would pick 1, 1, so it doesn't matter which one's the x and which one's the y. 1 equals 5 times 1 plus b. So multiply, 1 equals 5 plus b. Subtract 5, and b equals negative 4. So your final answer is y equals 5x. Again, when your b is negative, just write a minus sign. So minus 4. And for 12, m equals negative 5 minus negative 2 over 1 minus negative 2. That would give us negative 3 over positive 3, which is negative 1. I'm going to use this one since they're both the same. Negative 2 equals negative 1 times negative 2 plus b. Negative 2 equals positive 2 plus b. A lot of people think that means b equals 0, but it does not. Subtract 2, and b equals negative 4. So y equals negative 1 is our slope, so just negative x and then minus 4. And 14, m equals negative 1 minus 14 over 2 minus negative 3. Negative 15 over 5 gives us negative 3. I would pick the ordered pair 2, 1, since it's smaller numbers. Negative 1 equals negative 3 times 2 plus b. So negative 1 is equal to negative 6 plus b. Add 6 to both sides, and b is equal to 5. So your final answer is y equals negative 3x plus 5. Again, if you want to check your answer, you would graph your line that you just wrote and make sure it does go through the two ordered pairs.